Bird is the biggest mess up. He ate everything. He can't do anything right. He sweeps in. He can't even get on his own job. He can't even come to my house. My best friend, which he considered my best friend, not anymore. Because he used to work for me. He used to come and be my director and stuff, and I fired him. Guess what else? He got fired from Waffle House. Who gets fired from Waffle House? All the skanks and wimps go to Waffle House and work there. Why can't he work there? You know why? Because he's a skanky skunk, meaning overly skanky. He's not only a skank, he's overly fantastically skanky. You, that son of a gun, get out of here. You suck, you suck. Oh, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird, I'm gonna wear a hat. I'm gonna wear a Big Bird hat. I'm an angry bird hat and just beat the living heck out of you. Hey bird, hey bird, hey bird. You know you eat clay for breakfast? No, you didn't, because you're too stupid to figure it out.